That's no moon.
Hey guys, on the last episode of Make It Real, I challenged myself to a one-day build to make Han Solo's DL-44 blaster. And I think it turned out pretty good. Plus, it works too. Now a lot of people ask why I didn't just start with a Mauser broomstick pistol, which is what the original prop was actually based off of. Well, there were a few reasons. The first one is, it wouldn't be much of a Make It Real project if I just used a pistol and made it look like a blaster. Besides, where's the fun in that? And secondly, those are actually pretty valuable antiques. It would have taken a while to even find one. Kinda makes it hard to do a one-day build when you have to order all the parts you need. And finally, I'm Canadian. Handguns are actually restricted weapons here, so I'd literally be breaking the law just to do the project. And you know, I kinda like making videos and not being in jail. But anyway, enough talking about it. It's time to see what this can do against some of our SHIELD projects. Oh, and the Death Star.
That's no moon.
But before we get to that, I'd like to tell you guys about our new website we made on Wix. Wix is a free platform that allows you to build highly customizable and professional websites without needing to be an expert web developer. With hundreds of free templates, we had the creative freedom to make something truly unique to our brand. Our website needed a complete overhaul to make it more friendly, accessible, and awesome. And one of our big focuses in making a new site was a way to give you guys more information about our projects, with more details and resources on them in case you want to try making them yourself. For example, here's our blaster project page. As you can see, we have more details on how it was built, a gallery of photos, links to parts we used, and even the 3D CAD files for you to download. Pretty sweet, huh? Now, we haven't uploaded all of our projects yet, but check out our site for now, and don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter to stay up to date. And if you guys want to make an awesome website for your business, portfolio, or hobby too, click my link in the description below and get started on your website today. Now, let's see what this thing can do.
Okay, we're shooting the flare gun. That's forceful.
Wow, those are really forceful.
Let's do it again.
Do it again! It's the break.
Quickly.
Ready? Yeah, but that cracked glass even more, dude. Whoa! Should have seen that coming.
You shoot like a stormtrooper!
What are you talking about? I hit him.
Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Oh.
We're good. Oh, this one's empty.
Come tiptoe through the tulips with me.
I'm glad you're proud of your award.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
Let's film this.
Ooh, the valve is kind of like,
You got some there too? can't actually stick it in that far. You kind of. Oh Jesus! All right, everyone, cameras. Get the cameras going.
This station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
That's no moon. Yes! Right through the laser hole. And then watch. Nothing happening. Nothing. Ready? Ready?
Expand.
Whoa! Yes! Jesus Christ. I'm in. Okay, ready? That's no moon.
I am successful! Oh my!
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed that video. We had a lot of fun with it, and it was a really cool one-day build. We want to do more, so let us know some suggestions in the comments below about other projects that you'd like us to try and accomplish in just one day. Also, if you guys haven't seen it yet, check out our lightsaber video. It's pretty awesome.
They are still coming through. This is impossible.
Now, sometimes we have really bad ideas at the shop, and sometimes we just roll with them. So without further ado, check out our parody of This Is America.